Hello there, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to edit videos by using smartphones. Okay, you wanna edit videos, whether it's a vlog, travel, or even for assignments. But you don't know what to use to actually edit these videos. Well, you've come to the right place. All you need is a smartphone. I'll be using my iPhone for today. So the first thing is to actually download the app, which is called InShot. Now, after you download the app, well, you just gotta open it, yep, and go make a new video, press new. And I've pre-recorded some of this, so I'll just choose it. It's all the recordings around my house. Next thing you can do is actually trim all of the videos. So what you need to do is actually press on the video itself, and then you have all these options. You can even arrange your video after importing them. You have many options here. You can trim, you can adjust the speed, which means that you can actually do slow-mos. So all you have to do is just record 120 frames per second or higher, and then transfer it to here and adjust the speed by yourself. How do you record it? Well, you have to actually check whether your phone have that option or not. Next one, you can do trim. For example, you want to trim here and you want to trim here. You can also do cut and all of that. You yourself can discover, because all of these editing apps, you just need to discover them. Press any buttons you want. Don't be afraid to discover it. So I'm gonna trim all of these videos to make it prettier and nicer.
Trim, I'll start from here, I'll end over here, good. Next one, trim, and start from here and right there. Alright.
Okay, next one you can do is to add transitions, where you can see the small button in between the videos there. So from here you can actually choose the transition you want. For now you can only use basics. If you want to use the other one, you have to pay for it. You can discover the transitions here. There's a lot of them that you can choose from, and a lot of transitions you can try. I'm gonna quickly
See which one is the best. Yep, I like that one. Yes, that looks good. Well, this one I'm gonna do circle. Yes. And this one I'm gonna use, wait, no. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I'll use this one, alright, now let's try see first.
Very nice, very nice. See, you got all that transitions set up. Looking very nice, very pretty. You can actually go to filter and add some color correction to your video, so you can make your video much more prettier. But I don't want to do that because my iPhone video is already beautiful. Okay, next one is musics. You can actually add some musics in this. You can choose from their already given music. Some of them is pretty cool. The other way you can do is to actually receive those audio files from WhatsApp, and then you can import it to the InShot files. The other things you can do is actually record yourself.
Okay, this is my house. Look at that. So beautiful. What a painting, man. So beautiful. So beautiful.
You can record it like that, and you can also trim the actual video. I'm gonna trim it there. Yes, and delete that one. Now you have musics, and you have voiceover. Other than that, you can actually put in stickers and text. I'm gonna put in text for now. For example, I'll put it there, my house, and put in transition in, fade in, out, fade out. That looks cool. You can adjust this whichever you want, how long you want it to be. And now it looks cool, right? As easy as that. And that's about it. Yeah, all you have to do is actually try things out. Okay, that's about it from me. I hope this video helps with your assignments and all, and I'll hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, this is my house. Look at that. So beautiful. What a painting, man. So beautiful.